want out this Mini Brands Series 2. I really want a Dogecoin from the Mini Brands, but I don't think there is a Dogecoin in the Mini Brands Series 2. But okay, let's see anyway what's in it. Okay. Okay. $10 bills. And what's this? What? Bacterial wipes. Okay. And a very long. All miniatures. I have to look at this later because I don't have many of these Mini Brands Series 2, and some of them I really want, like the, well, Lucas is making sounds in the background. Okay. Okay. Next one. It's what is ice slash fruit punch. Okay, I don't recognize these from where I live. Maybe they have it in like the USA or England or something. I don't know. They don't have it. I haven't seen it in Sweden or Finland anyway, but maybe, or Germany, but maybe there are. I've been to Germany for years now, so okay. What? Ultramax Fresh Arm and Hammer. I don't know what this is. Okay. I have to check. I have to look up what it is. I don't know what it is actually. Okay. It's fun with these Mini Brands. That many of them I don't know what they are really. Okay. Okay. I still have 2 left. Okay. What? It's another bacteria. Like what? have an autoimmune disease, but still all this bacteria. What? No, it's like bacteria, antibacteria. Oh, I don't want to be reminded of this when I'm opening my miniatures. Okay, but still, it's kind of they look real, and it's kind of cute if you like have like a hospital set up or something. So it's kind of cute with the mini bacteria things, antibacterial things, like with dialysis. Oh my god, I'm not going. Not going. And there's one left. Okay. Okay. Maybe it's nice when it's like a theme of antibacterial use equipment. And this is multi-cat. Oh, it's like a. Is it cat food or something? Is it like a clumper? Oh, it's kitty litter. Oh, I have these really cute Barbie cats. And I also have my 80s Fluff cat. It's like my favorite Barbie cat with Fluff. So he can use the multi-cat kitty litter. Is this also for the? Oh, I don't know. It's the same brand. It's like the same brand here. Okay. Okay. I'll show you what I got. It's look here. It's like. It's one ice slush with a polar bear on it, yeah, like a plastic cork polar bear, and a carton with multi-cat kitty litter. I think it's kitty litter, and some Ultramax. Maybe it's like a. I don't really know what it is. It's like mouthwash, or I don't know how to check it out. Check it out what it is. Maybe it's like cleaning fluid or something. Yeah? Like I don't know. It's a big difference between mouthwash and cleaning fluid, but well, okay. And here is a Bactive, some I think it's like antibacterial wipes. And this is a Bactive like hand wash or something. Like for and it's money, like $10 bills for. It's like Barbie doll size or doll size, fashion doll size. So this was kind of fun things actually. So okay, thank you so much for watching. I still have a full bowl with these, so I have some more to open. Well, thank you for watching. Bye.